Hey guys, Enzo here with SAB Heli Division. Wanted to do a quick video. We're going to dive in and show you guys what you get when you order the new ILGoblin Piuma and the ILGoblin Piuma Nitro parts to turn your ILGoblin Piuma into the new Nitro 700 from SAB. So let's get started. All right, so as we open up the kit, new for the new ILGoblin Piuma, obviously our packaging's changed. You get some really trick graphics in the same color scheme that you're going to get on the ILGoblin Piuma itself, as you can kind of see the canopy right there as well. You're going to get your typical SAB goodies, so that's going to be your stickers, decal sheets, registration cards, and your manual. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and show you guys each individual new component of the new ILGoblin Piuma. Once we go over that, then I'll start showing you the components that come in the Nitro conversion. So let's go ahead and get started. New for the ILGoblin Piuma and ILGoblin Piuma Nitro is the amazing looking white, orange, and kind of black accented paint scheme for the new release. What's really trick is that this time it is a gloss finish. For those that have been accustomed to the semi-matte or satin finish that they've had before, SAB is now transitioned into the high gloss finish, which I personally think looks amazing, especially in the sun. I don't even think the camera's doing as good of a job as picking up how bright this canopy actually looks. So that is the new paint scheme. I think it looks awesome. And then you are going to get the full color matched blade set. So S110s on the tail and SAB signature S702 orange blades to complement the full look. So that's the first of the showings that I wanted to showcase, was the new aesthetic from the kit. Now we'll go ahead and keep moving down the components list and keep showing you guys what's new with the ILGoblin Piuma and ILGoblin Piuma Nitro. All right, so another feature or another area that I wanted to show you guys was all of your main frame components and some from the tail. So to start, you are going to get the same main gear as the ILGoblin Pro electric model. So that shares compatibility as well. You have the 10 millimeter spindle from the kit as well. You are going to have the same swash plate geometry as the 700 electric line of ILGoblin Raw and Pro. New as well for the ILGoblin Piuma will be the lightweight transmission with all revised internals. You're going to get the 12 millimeter main shaft for that as well. Again, I already mentioned the revisions to the main shaft spindle. You are going to get a revised head block to accommodate the revised main shaft on the transmission assembly. You also are going to get the updated blade grips from your full 700 class IL-Raw and ILGoblin Pro. So you are going to have the same blade grip and pitch arms, 30 mil pitch arms. And then lastly, on the tail assembly, you are going to have that ILGoblin Pro inspired tail assembly for the carbon boom that comes on the IL Piuma. So again, just wanted to do a quick look over of the important components with the main frame and some of the tail. Now we'll finally go ahead and get started into the Nitro conversion parts to make your ILGoblin Piuma and ILGoblin Piuma Nitro with SAB. All right, and now we are back with the Nitro parts. Now, you know, full disclaimer, you are going to get all the hardware, fuel tubing, three-way fuel guides that come in all your Nitro parts when you have purchased a prior SAB Nitro kit. I just wanted to take out the main important features with this conversion kit. So obviously, you are going to get the Nitro-specific frames. Those are newly designed for this kit. Up next is our newly designed clutch stack, which is refined, a little bit lighter weight than the previous model year. Save some weight as well. You are going to get that newer clutch bell, again, for weight savings. Just helps make it a little bit more efficient, you know, less load on the engine. A new clutch hub up at the top of the assembly is refined as well. I think the biggest change that everyone has been reading about is the new and improved machined plastic fan. This saves massive weight savings, less rotational weight for that engine, and again, just going to keep power up when you're beating on it, doing some heavy 3D. So those are some of the important ones. Obviously, you're going to get your fuel tank, SAB fan shroud. You are going to get all the parts to bolt on the throttle servo, all that good stuff. That's all in the box. But I just wanted to show you guys the main refinements with the Nitro conversion kit and what you can expect to get. Again, you are going to get your engine mount and belt as well. So one more time, guys, I appreciate everyone taking the time to watch this. Just wanted to show you the whole breakdown of the new ILGoblin Piuma Electric, and in this case for me, the new ILGoblin Piuma Nitro. So really excited to get this built and flying. And yeah, hopefully we can get it out before the winter arrives here in Maryland. So good times again ahead. Thank you everyone for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.